Unraveling the Meaning Behind, Drug Bust. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into a phrase that often pops up in news headlines and crime shows. Drug bust. If you're keen on understanding English phrases that deal with law enforcement and crime, this video will clear up what drug bust means and how you can use it in conversation. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this intriguing term. When you hear the term drug bust, you're hearing about a scenario where police or law enforcement agencies have interrupted illegal drug activities. A bust, in this context, refers to a raid or a forceful intervention where officers might arrest people involved in selling or distributing illegal drugs and seize the illegal substances. It's a compound noun, with drug specifying the type of illegal activity, and bust denoting the act of catching or stopping it. Understanding drug bust involves breaking down the phrase into two parts. Drug. This is straightforward, referring to any illegal substance controlled by law, like cocaine, heroin, or methamphetamine. Bust, in informal English, bust can mean to break or burst, but in legal and colloquial terms, it also means to arrest or raid. The term comes from the idea of bursting into a place to catch criminals. Together, they describe a specific law enforcement action targeting illegal drug operations. Now let's see how to use drug bust in everyday conversation or writing. In news reports, the local police conducted a drug bust downtown, arresting 4 suspects and seizing several pounds of illegal substances. In casual conversation, did you hear about the big drug bust at the port? It was all over the news. Remember, the phrase often carries a serious tone, considering it involves crime and law enforcement. There are a few phrases related to drug bust that can be useful to know. Raid. A sudden attack or move by police to arrest criminals or seize goods. Sting operation. An undercover operation designed to catch a person committing a crime. Crackdown. Severe measures to restrict or discourage undesirable or illegal people or behavior. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, drug bust. I hope this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of how to comprehend and use this term. Remember, understanding such phrases can enhance your English, especially if you're interested in topics related to law enforcement or news reporting. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.